In this example, we're going to create a table to count the number of ways that we can get the product, in particular products, when we roll two six-sided die. And so here, our first die, it could have either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 come up. Our second die could either have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6 come up. And so instead of writing a sum, a table that lists all the sum of the numbers, we're going to create a table with the product of the numbers. So we have 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 times 1 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. 5 times 1 is 5. And 6 times 1 is 6. Or we could have 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 6, 8, 10, 12. We could have 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 12, 15, 3 times 6 is 18, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, 16, 20, 24, 5 times 1 is 5, times 2 is 10, times 3 is 15, times 4 is 20, 25, 30, and then we have 6 times 1 is 6, 6 times 2 is 12, 6 times 3 is 18, 24, 30, and 36. So we create the table, and now we can answer questions really fairly quickly just by counting. All right, so how many times do we get a product of 7? Well, if we look in this table, we see 7 show up exactly 0 times. So there is no way to get a product of 7. We can get sums of 7, but not products. What about getting a product of 8? So here we're looking for a product of 8. So there's one way right there. And there's a second way. Really, a 2 and a 4. That's going to be it. So there are 2 ways to get a product of 8. If we want to look at and count the number of ways to get a product that is less than 5, we're just going through here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 5, and so that would not include 5. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ways. It looks like there are 8 ways to get a product that is less than 5. And that's how we can count by systematic listing. In our next sections, we will start looking at ways that we can count a little bit more efficiently. All right, we will see you later.